What is DNS? How does it work? Let's start with the basics. Imagine the internet as a massive phone book, but instead of phone numbers, it maps website names to IP addresses. This phone book is called the DNS. So, when you type a URL like www.google.com, DNS translates it into an IP address, like 142.250.64.14, allowing your browser to connect to the correct server. Here's how the DNS process works step by step. 1. You type a URL into your browser. Your browser sends a query to the DNS resolver, which is usually provided by your internet service provider. 2. The resolver checks its cache. If it already knows the IP address, great. If not, it asks a root server for help. 3. The root server points to a TLD server. This server manages domain extensions like .com, .org, or .net. 4. The TLD server points to an authoritative server. This server knows the exact IP address of the website you're trying to reach. 5. Finally, the resolver fetches the IP and sends it back to your browser. And just like that, the website loads on your screen. All of this happens in just milliseconds. DNS is what makes the internet user-friendly. Without it, we'd have to memorize long, complex IP addresses instead of simple website names. It's also scalable, handling billions of queries daily while ensuring seamless connectivity worldwide. But like any system, DNS has its vulnerabilities. Cybercriminals can exploit it through attacks like DNS spoofing, where they redirect users to fake websites. To protect yourself, 1. Use a reliable DNS provider like Google Public DNS or Cloudflare. 2. Enable DNS over HTTPS for encrypted queries. 3. Regularly update your devices to patch security holes. These simple steps can go a long way in keeping your online activities safe. And that's DNS in a nutshell. It's the unsung hero of the internet, working behind the scenes to make everything click.